Hello everyone, welcome to Infinite Art Grace. I am Neelam and today I am going to show you tutorial of Lippan Art. So this is the Lippan Art I made using clay and mirror. Lippan Art is the traditional craft of Gujarat which is made using mud and mirror, and it is also called mud and mirror craft. So let's get started with the tutorial. I'm using wooden board as a base. You can also make use of canvas or cardboard if you don't have any wooden board, and then draw the design pattern over the board. You can also take any design available in the internet and trace it. After that, I'm using air dry clay and I have made this thread like shape out of clay which I'll be pasting over the design. I'm using Fevicol mixed with some water, and with the help of that mixture I'm pasting the clay thread over the design that I have made. I'm also pasting some mirrors on the design. It's up to you. You can paste the mirror simultaneously or you can paste it after you have made the design out of the clay and painted it. So whatever is easier for you, you can do it. Make sure you make the shapes out of clay according to the design that you have created and then paste it over the board. Now I have pasted clay over the design and I'll keep it out for some time to let it dry. Now the clay has dried completely and it has turned out really well. It looks great and now it's ready to be painted. I'm using white acrylic paint to paint it over the board. If you want, you can make use of different colors as well, but I'll be using just white color. While painting, I'm making sure that I don't paint over the mirrors. And here it is after painting the board completely white. Now it's time to paste the mirrors on the design. I'll be using Fevicol and some mirrors. You can take different shapes of mirrors and then paste it according to the design that you would create. Making this Lippan art consumes some time because it depends on the precision and patience. So while you are making Lippan art, don't think much about the time it consumes, but just enjoy the process of the craft and the output will definitely be awesome. Now I have pasted all the mirror on the board and my design is ready. I'll let it dry for some time, and this is the final output. I have taken pictures of this art in different backgrounds and I think it turned out really well. Do let me know your views on this. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.